Join us today at Greensprings Vacation Resort. Hey guys, we're at Greensprings Vacation Resort in Williamsburg, Virginia, and we're going to give you a tour and a review. So let's get right into it. We have a lot of positive things to say and just a couple negative. This is our building, and we were told to go in door 68. Our unit is 32D. What we didn't realize is that this building does not have an elevator, so we had to go up 6 flights of stairs with all of our luggage and our son, who's not very mobile. We walked into the kitchen. It was a full-size kitchen, and it looked like it had recently been renovated. Then we swung around and went into the dining room and into the living room, which had a TV and a fireplace and an outdoor patio. Then we went into the master. It was quite spacious. And it also had a master bath with a big tub and a walk-in shower. Then we went back down the hall to the second bedroom where our son stayed. It wasn't as big as the master, but there was plenty of room and had its own bathroom. We stayed in a 2-bedroom suite. They also have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 4 bedrooms that you can rent. I'm sure some of the newer units had elevators, so if an elevator is important to you, be sure you ask before making your reservations. The patio was quite nice and large and backed up to the woods. Our unit also had a washer and dryer. This is the main building where you check in and where all the amenities are located. The lobby area even had an Easter tree because it was nearly Easter when we were there. They had so many outdoor activities to enjoy, from volleyball to shuffleboard. They had an outdoor pool, pickleball, tennis courts, you name it. There was so many things to do. They had planned activities every day of the week, so if you found yourself bored, it would be your own fault. They had an indoor hot tub and pool as well as an outdoor hot tub and pool. That outdoor pool was absolutely amazing. It was a huge pool area, although when we were there, it was March, so the outdoor pool was not yet open. They even had miniature golf and basketball courts. This main building was about a half mile from where our unit was located, so it was quite a little walk. They also had outdoor golf course. They had a secure gate entry. Greensprings was priorly owned by Diamond Resorts. However, they were just bought out by the Hilton Grand Vacation Resorts. Our only complaint, besides the lack of elevator, is the fact that there is not a restaurant on the premises. We drove 10 hours to get there. We were tired and did not want to get back in the car and have to try to find a restaurant in town. So we ended up ordering pizza. So we just called and had the pizza delivered, brought right to us, because by the time we got all of our luggage up those 6 flights of stairs, we were pooped, and it was getting dark. And who wants to drive around an unfamiliar town after dark trying to find a place to eat? But this was a truly beautiful piece of property. This indoor pool was amazing as well. Everything was so well kept and clean. Check-in time is 4 p.m. and we notice that when it gets close to check-in time, this lobby can become quite crowded. The activities building was brightly decorated, and there was a lot of space to hang out in case of inclement weather. There was still plenty to do inside. There was a large exercise room with a big variety of equipment to use. When planning a trip to Williamsburg, the Greensprings Vacation Resort is a good place to stay. And in true Colonial Williamsburg fashion, they had a cannon on property, complete with cannonballs. We stayed here an entire week, and we are so glad that we did. There is so many things to see in Williamsburg. You can't do it in just a couple days. Their golf course was amazing as well. As we walked around this beautiful scenic property, there were playgrounds scattered about here and there, so there was plenty to do. And behind our unit was a beautiful little pond with a water feature that we could watch from our deck. We hope this review has been beneficial. We highly recommend Greensprings Resort. If you'd like to see more videos of Williamsburg or the Historic Triangle, click the playlist that just popped up on your screen.